So here's another package. I ordered 50 screws for the price of, drumroll please, yes, you guessed it, $1. So let's see how they packaged it. As you can see, it's in some sort of a paper bag and the usual protective bubble wrap inside probably, but let's see exactly what they did. 50 screws. I hope they didn't count them one by one, but let's see. Ooh. Something inside. Oh boy, it's just foil, plastic foil like that. That's interesting. That's an interesting choice. But yeah, the screws are the right shape, diameter and whatever. What I originally wanted to use them for is to mount these switches onto a board. And yeah, they will work fine. I will mount these switches on a board to have side by side like 4 of them, to make a huge switch where I can switch on and off all my lights in the room. So yeah, these will work fine. I will need like 10 of them and I ordered 50 for $1. So yeah, this is adequate wrapping, I think. None of the screws were damaged, hopefully. Okay.